Hello, welcome to the bass lick in every key series. In this series we are taking one lick or one bar groove and running it through all 12 keys. It's a great way to truly master it, building your technique, improving your ear and getting comfortable all over the fretboard. So let's get started. Minor chord lick number 9. On the A minor chord, the first chord we're starting. Here we start on the tonic. I propose you to start here or on the 12th fret. And after I have note C, you can find the full version along with an explanation on my Patreon. Come, be a part of it. I would love to share more with you. Now, it's your turn. Let's go. See you in the next video.